Structured algorithms. Structured algorithms are sequential. They are step by step. They go from start to finish. They need to be simple and easy to follow. This is why they contain a logical order. The perfect example of this is Lego. When you buy Lego, they always contain an instruction manual, which outlines the process to building the complete piece. They contain pictures to clearly differentiate the parts. A structured algorithm incorporates this through various shapes, which means different processes.
Decisions. Decisions are integral to the structured algorithms. They're represented through diamonds. There are two types of decisions: binary decisions, which contain two choices, and multiple choice decisions. These contain multiple paths. Repetition is also used in structured algorithms. They allow for the repetition of modules to create a loop. This can cause a game to run for many rounds or until a certain score is reached.
Advantages. With structured charts, very similar to a blueprint, or the idea of it. The idea of a blueprint with architecture is to provide a layout of how something is to be designed, as seen right here. Blueprints contained information such as area and layout and all sorts of other stuff. Same idea can be seen for structure charts when we are developing them. They provide a layout of how code is to be interact with one another. Modules. They are also very visual, easy to understand. We don't get confused. Unlike pseudocode, it's just line, line, line. Probably more practical in how we develop it, but I personally find it much more easier to understand structure charts. Somewhat easy to modify. They're just manipulation of probably boxes and stuff, and that's the idea of blueprint for codes, pretty much. In the game of Yahtzee, the purpose for it in Yahtzee was that when we were developing it, I think most of us would have noticed that there were a lot of it was very data sensitive. If one piece of data did not correlate well, then it would just mess up the entire process of coding and how, like, the game wouldn't work properly, pretty much, is what I'm trying to get at. You could see that the modules interact with each other like jigsaw puzzles, right? Once you fit all the pieces together, all the modules, when they start working together, then we get a final product. It's like an image, beautiful image.
Thank you. Do we have any questions?